Hey, thank you so much for watching my product review. Right now, I'm in the Click Engine. This is a review that I'm gonna do because I see other YouTube persons doing this review, and I see that they have good results. So I say, you know what? Let me take a look. But before we get started, if you want to make 10K per month, I have mentors that they can show you how you can do it. They have a high ticket offer on the first link on the description. You will find that out and you will see that webinar. Also, you want to continue picking this product up, you can check the second link in the description. And by the way, I'm gonna have four amazing bonuses for you. But they're gonna look like 40 because on every single thing you have other things very good, and I think you're gonna enjoy that. So let me show you which one I'm talking about. Here, you will get the opportunity to have AI Prodigy, our system that banks 136 using YouTube. Also, how to build a year list. This is called List Prodigy. Also, I have on my page www.albertosantos.pro. I have another some training that will show you how you can generate from 10 to 30 per month. Sounds crazy, but it's true. It's happening. Not for me still, but I'm in the process. You watch the other videos that I have, you can see why. Also, I have discount on the Lead Academy for this Black Friday. I have a special 400 discount. If you want to learn how to launch a product with Taoism, he will show you everything and you will get 25% on commissions. Also, if you want to know more about this Elite Academy, I have for you 35 products ready from big vendors on the industry. You will see them, enjoy it, and you will understand what I mean. I have made good commissions with this program, and I want to share that anybody can do that as well. If you're ready to pay the price, you can have that. What else? Let's continue with the product review because I'm forgetting about it. So let me look again. This is the page. And let's see what is this about. Two sales came from the click engine in the last 2 days. Love it. Let me play this video a little bit. So let's see what it says.
Welcome to the Click Engine, the 100% done for you traffic service built to deliver clicks to your links from real buyers on 100% autopilot every single month. Hi there, my name is Jeff Amon. I'm the creator of the Click Engine, and of all the things I've learned over the years that helped me finally quit my 9 to 5 and work from home full time, I would say without a doubt that effective advertising is the number one most important thing you need to have if you want to make real money online. Henry Ford once said, "A man who stops advertising to save money is like a man who stops the clock to save time." Being able to drive traffic to your offers through effective advertising is the lifeblood of any business online. But it isn't easy, and it sure isn't going to get any more affordable. Take, for example, Google AdWords. The average cost per click across all industries is $2.69. That number is even higher in the make money online niche. Let's take a look at these other social media networks. Facebook is 97 cents per click. You can go ahead and double that for the make money online niche. Instagram, $3.56 per click. LinkedIn, $5.26. That's crazy. I think you get my point. Advertising on the net is expensive and it's not going to get any cheaper. So now that you know this, let me show you how to take advantage of real buyer traffic delivered to you on autopilot every single month for just mere pennies. Here's how easy it is to get started with the Click Engine. Step 1, become a member of the Click Engine. Step 2, submit the link that you'd like us to send buyer traffic to. Step 3, we'll add your link into the Click Engine Rotator with other Click Engine members. Step 4, one email every single day will be sent from our email service and reach hundreds, soon to be thousands of other Click Engine members. When other members click, your link will share in the traffic. And that's it. You sit back and get non-incentivized buyer clicks to your offer every single month without fail. And check this out. There are new Click Engine members joining every single day, meaning that your offer will always have fresh buyers interested in what you're up to. Now, the beauty of the Click Engine is its simplicity. No sites to log into, no ad copy to worry about, no trying to remember when to send emails or place advertisements, no setting up PPC ads or banner ads. None of that. In fact, after you get it set up, there is nothing you have to do at all. Just sit back and watch the buyer clicks hit your links every single month. Considering the amount of new buyers joining the Click Engine daily, the super high quality of every single click that will be delivered, and the set and forget functionality of the Click Engine, I could probably charge at least, and I should charge at least $30 per month. It would be worth every penny of that and more. And I do plan on raising the price in the future. But right now, while the Click Engine is still a new service, I'm going to lower the price all the way down to $4.90. Because you're watching this video and seeing this price, you'll be grandfathered in at $4.90 forever, even when the price increases in the future. Shoot, you can't even get 2 clicks on Google AdWords for $4.90. And with Google AdWords, you have no idea if the person who clicks on your link will be a freebie seeker or a serious buyer. Meanwhile, with the Click Engine, every click is from a serious buyer. I think you can agree the value here is off the charts, so it's time to make a choice. You have nothing to lose here. If you're not 110% satisfied with the traffic you're getting, you can cancel at any time.
I like this. The price is very good. $5. That's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna have to buy this one. Check them out. Okay, so far right now, that's all I have. Thank you so much for your staying here, watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.